Okay, thought I'd do a little review of this new backpack that I got for my drone. It's from Lykus. And if you like me, you like taking your drone everywhere. And some of the carrying cases aren't conducive. I like taking it on my motorcycle and snowmobile. So I got this backpack case. It's actually pretty cool. I have a spot right here for all my paperwork. If I open it up here, because I have a tablet I use, I have a spot in here for my tablet. And then if I open it up, I also have some containers in here. There's my blades, my extra screws and stuff like that. It's big enough that I have my landing pad in there. And there everything is. My charger, my outlet plug, 1, 2, 3 batteries. This is nice tucked inside here. This is the waterproof cover for the backpack, my controller, other batteries, and right here is my tablet holder for my controller. So it actually packs in pretty nice. You can actually you can carry it, and it's a backpack. It's all nice and condensed. So if you're looking for a backpack for your drone, this does the Mini 2, the Mini, and I'm not sure a couple of other ones, but readily available on Amazon for, I think it's about 40 bucks. So I think it was well worth it.